Last music video that you can see, it says goodbye and everything, and I'm not the type to explain. I don't like to explain, but okay, mizo trongin kasoy le sap trongin kasoy nga jon mizo trongin kasoy le. Oh, okay. So the reason why there's a goodbye on the last song is because I specifically don't want only Mizoram to listen to my songs. I know that there are many Nagamis, Nagas and Northeasterns who listen to my songs, and I want to be able to connect with them and make them understand what I'm trying to say, and I want them to sing my songs. And therefore, I thought to myself that I would, basically try to extend my viewers. I want the whole Northeast to be able to, that's a dream, but still, I want the Northeast to listen to my songs. And to be able to do that, I have to sing in their